Car Story research indicates this vehicle as having lower miles with less wear and tear, a good deal, and loaded with features. Features also include heated seats, rear view camera, hands-free Bluetooth integration, third row seating, and has been listed as an IIHS top safety pick with these ratings. Make a great choice today with the 2015 Outlander. A versatile crossover with power to spare, Outlander boasts an upgraded level of interior comfort and advanced technological features to give you control over every element of your drive. With super all-wheel control and a 5-star frontal and side impact crash test rating, peace of mind comes standard and is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: keyless entry, traction control, stability control, anti-lock braking system, backup camera, steering wheel audio controls, Bluetooth, leather-wrapped steering wheel, adjustable steering wheel, driver airbag. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.